3 places to visit in Birmingham with kids and family. 1. Sutton Park. Explore one of Europe's largest urban parks with vast green spaces, playgrounds, and nature trails, perfect for a family day out. 2. Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery. Enjoy interactive exhibits and beautiful art collections that are free to explore with the whole family. 3. Street Basin. Discover Birmingham's canals with scenic walks and colorful narrowboats, offering a calm and beautiful environment for families. 4. Library of Birmingham. Visit the iconic Library of Birmingham and take in the stunning views from the rooftop garden. 5. Cannon Hill Park. Let the kids play in one of Birmingham's most popular parks, with playgrounds, lakes, and plenty of open space for family fun. 6. Affordable travel options. Learn about budget-friendly travel options like the Friends and Family Rail Card and discounted bus fares for a more affordable day out. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more family travel tips and free things to do.